is Ruby. And oh, my name is Amy. Very good. So how old are you?
I'm 4 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Oh, what is your class? I'm in. How are you today?
I'm happy today.
Yes, I'm happy today. Alright. Now, look at the picture and can you answer the question? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Now the first topic is types. What do you have?
I have a
Now,
dog.
everyone, can you talk louder? What do you have?
I have a dog.
Now, alright. And here?
I have a ball.
Oh, yes, here. What do you have?
I have a book. I have a bubble.
Yes, again. I have a.
Tiger.
And yes, here. What do you have?
I have a wire. I have a dance. I have a bottle.
Good. Look at the picture and can you answer the question?
I have a puppy.
Yes, I have a puppy.
I have a balloon.
Alright, and here?
I have a Rubik's cube.
And now, the next topic at the beach. Can you say, look at the kite.
Look at the